Yourself these questions. 1. Do you have a proven step-by-step program that can teach you everything you need to know to be successful? 2. Are you coachable? If you don't know anything about an online business, how can you be successful if you're not following a proven system and be coachable? 3. Are you willing to be 100% consistent in knowing and showing up for yourself and for your customers and for your business? 4. Are you willing to learn the skills to attract your perfect customers to your business? If your answer is no to any of these questions, don't even bother to start. Don't set yourself up for failure. Trust me. If you need some help, I have the solution for you. Comment ready and I'll make sure you get the free blueprint guide, Start an Online Business with a Proven Blueprint.